Good morning, friends. Mr. Yoder here. I hope that you're having a great morning with Mr. Hooley so far. Sorry I'm not with you. I'm at a meeting currently, but I will be back this afternoon right to pick you up after recess. So hopefully you are at the carpet with your whiteboard sock and dry erase board. And what we are going to do is going to spend just a couple seconds reviewing prime and composite numbers. So on your boards, I would like you to write the number 18, please. Now what I would like you to do is I'd like you to list all of the factors for the number 18. Go. Now, Avon, can you tell me one of the factors for 18 is? Excellent. So I'm hoping that you said 1 and 18. And then we obviously know that there's a few more factors for the number 18. They are 2 and 9, and also 3 and 6. Now on your boards, I would like you to tell me if the number is prime or composite. We know that this number is composite because it has more than 2 factor pairs. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let's do another one. On your boards, go ahead and write the number 19. And what I'd like you to do is write all the factors for the number 19. Go. Hopefully after a few seconds, you only realize that the number has 1 and 19 are the only 2 factors. And tell me if this number is prime or composite. And hopefully you identified this number as prime because we know that prime numbers only have 2 factors, and it's 1 and the number of itself. All right, so I'm going to have you do something a little different right now. So what I want you to do is go and clear off your boards and kind of put it right in front of you so it's out of your hands and your lap. And what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you close your eyes when I say go. And when I say go, I want you to close your eyes and think. And the only time that you're going to open them up is when you think 1 minute has passed. So I'll repeat that again. When I say go, you're going to close your eyes. Then I want you to open them up when you think 1 minute has passed. And then when 1 minute has passed, then I will let you know when 1 minute has passed. All right, ready? Go. Make sure that your eyes are closed for the full minute. And you can open your eyes. That was 1 minute. So what I did here is during that full minute is I placed little tally marks for each second in 1 minute. How many seconds are there in 1 minute, class? You are correct if you said 60 seconds are in 1 minute. So today with Mr. Hooley, you're going to be discussing units of time. So just to quickly review, and let me switch the color really quick. So so here we go. Let's try it again. In 1 minute, we said that there are 60 seconds, and that's a little bit longer than probably what some of you thought it was. Okay. Then reviewing from last year, how many minutes are in 1 hour? Hopefully you said 60 minutes. So what you're going to do is when we start guided math rotations, when you go see Mr. Hooley, you're going to take your math journal with him And what you're going to do is you're going to open up to page 49 in your math journal, and you're going to be doing several conversions. So we're going to do a conversion together to kind of get you an idea about how to do that. So on your boards, I would like you to write 2 hours. And we're going to convert that into how many minutes are in 2 hours. And I'm going to show you 2 different ways of how to do that. The first way is we know that in 1 hour that there's 60 minutes, right? So if that's 1 hour, I can add another hour, and that will make my 2 hours. And I'm going to add that up, and we get 120 minutes are in 2 hours. So that's one way you can do it, is by repeated addition. Another way, is a quicker way, is you can multiply. So we know that 60 minutes is in 1 hour, but we are working with 2 hours. So we're going to multiply 60 by 2. So the first step is when you multiply in the ones place. 0 times 2 is what, class? 0. And now you multiply the tens column. And 6 times 2 is 12. And that gives us the answer of 120 minutes. So let me repeat. When you work during math rotations, when you were with Mr. Hooley's group, you're going to take your math journal and turn to page 49, and you're going to be doing several different conversions like what we just did here. Math Fact Station is you can use the iPad for the Sushi Monster or the Math Fact Builder game, or any of the Power Towers or flashcards. Skills Review, you're going to be in your math journal, and that's going to be math boxes on page 52. And then the math game is the 4 in a row by multiplying by 3s and 4s. So hopefully you kids have a great morning, and then I will see you this afternoon.